Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses east central Nebraska and west central Iowa. Cities in today's enhanced include Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Council Bluffs, Iowa, Ames, Iowa, and West Des Moines, Iowa. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses extreme southeastern South Dakota, parts of eastern Nebraska, most of Iowa, and southern Minnesota. Excuse me. Cities in today's slate include Lincoln, Nebraska, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Rochester, Minnesota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Bloomington, Minnesota. And there are two areas where we have a marginal. One marginal covers southeastern South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Minnesota, far northern Missouri, parts of extreme eastern and southeastern Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, and northwestern Illinois. And there's a small marginal down here that covers west central Missouri. Cities in today's marginals include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Madison, Wisconsin, Rockford, Illinois, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So going to today's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east central Nebraska and west central Iowa. Cities in today's 5% tornado risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Council Bluffs, Iowa, Bellevue, Nebraska, Fremont, Nebraska, and Columbus, Nebraska. And there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses south central Minnesota, much of Iowa, and parts of eastern Nebraska. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Rochester, Minnesota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Bloomington, Minnesota. Going to the wind for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today that encompasses east central Nebraska and west central Iowa. Cities in today's 15% wind risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Council Bluffs, Iowa, Bellevue, Nebraska, Fremont, Nebraska, and Columbus, Nebraska. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One encompassing far southeastern South Dakota, southern Minnesota, west central Wisconsin, a little bit of west central Illinois, far northern Missouri, most of Iowa, most of Iowa, and parts of Nebraska. And another 5% wind risk area today encompasses west central Missouri. So cities in today's 5% wind risk areas today include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So, going to today's hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses east central Nebraska and west central Iowa. Cities in today's 30% hail risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Council Bluffs, Iowa, Ames, Iowa, and West Des Moines, Iowa. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses south central Minnesota, far southeastern South Dakota, parts of eastern Nebraska, and most of Iowa. Cities in today's 15% hail risk area today include Lincoln, Nebraska, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Rochester, Minnesota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Bloomington, Minnesota. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses eastern Nebraska and much of Iowa. Cities in today's black dashed area, the black dashed area is where you have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. The black dashed area includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux City, Iowa, and Council Bluffs, Iowa. Again, the black dashed area meaning the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter, 2 inches in diameter or larger today. So again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see 2 inch in diameter hail or larger. So there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering southeastern South Dakota, most of Nebraska, parts of Minnesota, far eastern and southeastern Iowa, far northern Missouri, parts of Wisconsin, and northwestern Illinois, and a small 5% hail risk area encompassing parts of west central Missouri as well. So, cities in today's 5% hail risk area include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Madison, Wisconsin, Rockford, Illinois, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So, in summary, isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms are expected, mainly from late afternoon into early tonight from eastern Nebraska into western and central Iowa. Very large hail to 3 inches in diameter or greater, isolated severe gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour, and a couple of tornadoes will all be possible. So, that's day 1 outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, and have a way of getting notified for any severe weather warnings today. Have a way of getting notified today, whether that be your NOAA weather radio, your phone, or TV. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, and my day 2 outlook will come out later. Will come out this afternoon. And if there's any upgrades for today's outlook, if there's any upgrades for today's severe weather, then I will have an updated video this afternoon. So, stay safe, take care.